This is the Summit by Forest River, RV 400 square foot park model. This unit has all vinyl windows and doors, thermopane glass. When you enter into the patio door, you step into the nice big living room that's got a double suede sofa sleeper and a swivel rocker. A lot of room in the living room. Move this furniture around wherever you'd like or add furniture. It's got a 52-inch ceiling fan, lots of window space. You can see out real good. This has a table and 4 chairs with drop-down leaves. You've got a nice hutch with extra work area for the kitchen. This is our model number 5850-23. A lot of cabinet space, a lot of drawer space, all beadboard white exterior cabinetry. Smooth range, electric range, and 30-inch convection microwave, and a nice 2-door refrigerator with storage across from it. Pantry storage. You step into the bedroom. This has got the upgrade house queen bed and box springs. Plenty of room to put a king in here if you so desire. Again, a 52-inch ceiling fan. His and her tall closets. A lot of drawer space. A lot of storage. The bathroom has a solid door with a 60-inch walk-in fiberglass shower. Nice easy entry, big shower, house type elongated toilet, nice vanity and big sink, storage above. Again, this is the Summit RV 400 square foot park model by Forest River.